Flowers in the frost, they glow. Candlelight, it flickers bright, soft and golden. Winter's night, Christmas in the air. Hearts are shining, love to share. Hold this moment, let it grow. Snow is falling slow, so slow. Footsteps crunch on paths untrod, breath like clouds, a fleeting nod. Stars align in sky so broad, echoes hum where silence plus. Frosted windows, dreams inside, softly beating, hearts collide. Christmas in the air, hearts are shining, love to share. Hold this moment, let it grow. Snow is falling slow, so slow.
Snow falls quiet, a whisper, a sigh. Candles flicker, the shadows lie. Winter calm, in the still of the night. The world is hushed beneath soft white. Winter calm, hold me tight. Holiday light, glowing bright. Stay with me through the cold. Warmth of your heart, worth more than gold. Pinewood scent, the fire burns low. Through frosted glass, the moonlight glows. The wind hums soft, a lullaby, while the stars rest easy in the sky. Moments like these, they don't come twice. Hold on to what feels right. Winter calm, hold me tight. Holiday light, glowing bright. Stay with me through the cold. Warmth of your heart, worth more than gold. Time slows down in this quiet embrace. The world fades, leaving just your face. The bells ring faint, the night so still, and I am yours, I always will.
to the ground. The wind hums low, a soft-spoken singer. Leaves whisper secrets profound. Whispering pines, the world slows down and the heart unwinds. A quiet joy, a gentle sign. Love grows beneath the whispering pines. Candles aglow in the cabin so weathered. The snow falls soft on the eaves. Chimes catch the breeze like stars untethered. A hymn in the rustling leaves. Footsteps fade in the winter's embrace. Time breathes deep in this still. Holy space, whispering pines. The world slows down and the heart unwinds. A quiet joy, a gentle sign. Love grows beneath the whispering pines. The branches hold a peace untold, a cradle for the night. Each breeze a prayer, the forest's care in soft and silver light.
The fire hums, a tender glow. Shadows dance on the falling snow. Whispers rise in the frosted air. A quiet peace beyond compare. Christmas night, oh Christmas night. Snow so bright, stars alight. Feel the joy, the world so still. Hearts are full, love to fill. Candles flicker on the windowsill. Laughter echoes, the world stands still. A sleigh bell rings through the winter hush. The warmth of home, the sweetest rush. Christmas night, oh Christmas night. Snow so bright, stars alight. Feel the joy, the world so still. Hearts are full, a love to fill. Underneath the evergreen, memories wrapped in red and green. The past and present intertwine. A fleeting moment so divine. Christmas night, oh Christmas night. Snow so bright, stars alight. Feel the joy, the world so still. Hearts are full, a love to fill. Winds are swaying slow tonight. Their whispers hum a lullaby. Frosted stars in the velvet sky. Woodland Christmas, calm and bright. Peaceful night, snowy light. Hold me close by the firelight. Footsteps crunch where the snow runs deep. The forest breathes while the world